All right, you throwing one? You want to throw it? Got you. Hey. Thank you for shooting out here. Are you allowed to come up this thing from the other team? Yeah.
Are they all on our team now?
Yep.
You have to add people?
Yep, they added people.
Where the heck are they? I only seen one guy.
They were pushing up top.
Up top?
Yeah. One of them killed us from up top.
Whoever shot me with that freaking hurts, bro.
Right up at the blue building up top.
This is Chuck.
Yeah, hold on. Wait a second. My hands are freezing. I can't even feel them.
I like this. I can't know where I'm going. I know exactly what you that, right?
Alrighty. Behind the concrete. Hit. Ah, feels like ice is on my hands, man.
Oh.
Where?
Very left side of the containers, back in their spawn. Oh.
I see him up there.
You see him? Try and get a good shot. He doesn't see you. I don't think.
He went away.
Shot. How much was that camera?
What?
How much was that?
I think it was like around $100. Just a GoPro. It's like an old GoPro. You're out?
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Yep.
Thanks for my gun side though.
Sawyer, I'm getting shot at from up top. From up top, I need you to suppress him.
I see him. Oh no, he's dead. He's dead.
He's dead?
Yeah, he's walking back.
Well, that doesn't mean he's... I'm out, cover me. One dude in middle, one dude in mid.
Oh, behind the blue?
Yep.
The bluish one?
No. Okay, there's another dude back on top.
Okay, I'm gonna get in this.
I'm out on 2 mags. Out on 3 mags. I'm suppressing, push up.
Oh, right there.
There's another dude in the middle. In the middle.
What's the guy stopping all of them?
Who?
The guy in this corner is stopping us from getting up the stairs. Right corner.
Hold on. Nope. He's still shooting at me though. He can't hit me. I'm literally...
Hey!
Can I see the pistol? Because I'm running low. I might need this honestly.
Pink car?
Yep, pink car.
Okay, I'll suppress.
Okay.
Water.
You gotta stand in it, man. Alright, I'm going in 3, 2, 1, going. Your turn! Hit! Damn!